Hey there, my name is Elijah. I go by IP Man on this YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for supporting me again by watching this video and interacting with me in the comment section. So quickly, I'm just gonna get out of the way. I want to share some tips and tricks that I learned along the way when I started graphic design over 10 years ago. And I think that you would gain a lot of information, especially if you just are starting out and you don't have tons of resources and tons of experience. This channel is definitely for you. You want to stick around because you're going to get some quick nuggets that's easy to understand, and I'm going to break it down so plain and make this fun so you can see the development and the growth in your own designs as well. The one thing I recommend you have, especially if you have a Windows computer, if you have a Mac computer, we'll save that for another video, but if most people that use Windows computers, you'll have Microsoft Paint installed on the computer already. I recommend you start there. That's where I started, and it really kind of builds that foundation, learning how to cut things, learning how to crop things, learning how to color things, learning how to size shapes and dimensions and things like that. So definitely take advantage of Microsoft Paint. In future videos, I'll go over exactly things you can do in Microsoft Paint that you may not have known. So you want to definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when I post a video, you can get that information available to you. So just thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Share with your friends if you know anybody that's wanting to start a graphic designing career or business and they don't know where to start or what to do. I'm your guy because I've been there before. Stick around for a while and let's do this.